Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make red split lentil soup. First, rinse 1 cup of red split lentils under cold water until the water runs clear. This removes any debris and excess starch. Next, prepare your aromatics by finely chopping 1 onion, 2 carrots, and 2 celery stalks. Then, mince 3 cloves of garlic and grate about 1 inch of fresh ginger. These ingredients form the flavorful base of our delicious soup. Now in a large pot, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. Add your chopped onion, carrots, and celery, sautéing them for about 5 minutes until they soften. Stir in the minced garlic and grated ginger, cooking for another minute until fragrant. Then, add 1 teaspoon of ground cumin and 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric, stirring well. Finally, pour in 6 cups of vegetable broth and your rinsed red lentils. Bring the soup to a boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it simmer for about 20 minutes. The lentils will break down and thicken the soup, creating a creamy texture. Remember to stir occasionally to ensure nothing sticks to the bottom of the pot. Once the lentils are tender, season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice at the end brightens all the flavors beautifully. Your easy red split lentil soup is now ready to enjoy. Ladle it into bowls and garnish with some fresh chopped cilantro or a swirl of good quality olive oil. It pairs wonderfully with a slice of crusty bread or a light side salad for a complete meal. This hearty and nutritious soup is perfect for any day. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Little Trees Black Ice Air Freshener and other great deals we've found for you. Enjoy your delicious homemade soup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.